I am Dr. Atul Srivastav. I am consultant arthroscopy and joint preservation surgeon at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Havra and Rabindranath Tagore Hospital, Mukundapur. So today I am going to talk to you about a very common orthopedic problem, which is ACL injury. ACL, or the anterior cruciate ligament, is one of the main ligaments of the knee which lies deep within the knee. It goes diagonally from the thigh bone to the shin bone, and it forms a mechanical link between both of them and is important for the stability of the knee, especially during the twisting movements. So how do you suffer an ACL injury? So ACL injuries are mostly seen in sports persons which plays contact or semi-contact sports like soccer, football, rugby, and also in sports which have pivoting activities like badminton or basketball or tennis. So how do you know you have suffered as ACL injury? Immediately after you suffer an ACL injury, you will feel your knee popping, or you will hear a pop sound in your knee, and immediately after that you will feel that your knee is giving away, and during the next 24 hours your knee will get grossly swelled up. This swelling might go off in about a month or so. Even the pain goes off within a month or so. But if you have a torn ACL, then you will have difficulty in performing certain specific activities. Your knee will feel unstable if you start running, jumping, or playing sporting activities. Also, you will have difficulty in turning on the spot or sudden change in your direction. So once you feel that you've got an ACL injury, how do we confirm it? So we diagnose the ACL injury using an MRI. The MRI shows us the severity of the injury. So once we have diagnosed that yes, I've got an ACL injury, so how we treat that? So the most important question which comes in treatment of ACL is to operate or not to operate. So the decision making to perform the surgery depends upon the severity of the ACL tear and also how much is it hampering your day-to-day activities. If a patient is not having any instability of the knee joint and it does not have a very active lifestyle, then patient may opt out of surgery and may go for conservative treatment. But on the other hand, if the patient has instability of the knee and continues his active lifestyle or he continues to play sports, it might lead to damage of the knee joint. So in these patients, we have to do an ACL surgery. So how do we treat ACL? So ACL tear is treated using a surgery which is called arthroscopic ACL reconstruction. In this surgery, we replace the torn ACL using a graft. This graft is a spare tendon which is found somewhere else in the body, like a hamstring tendon or a patella tendon. So we use these tendon to replace the torn ACL and we fix this graft to the thigh bone and the shin bone using screws or endo buttons. And we do this the whole surgery using knee arthroscopy. So knee arthroscopy is a procedure in which we do knee surgeries using small, tiny micro incisions over the knee joint, and we use pencil-shaped instruments and cameras to perform the surgery. So the ACL reconstruction, the surgery is just the half part of the treatment. The next half of the treatment is as important, and it is the rehabilitation, which is in the form of structured exercises which the patient has to do for at least 6 months or maybe more. So surgery plus rehabilitation leads to a stable and functional knee and helps the patient to get back to his normal activities and also return to sports. Thank you.